Sinibingelela samukele kuMaskandi Online Magazine enibingelela uNjabulo Mkhonazi ngimi lapha neNkunzumalanga umthandeni SK Comelisha futhi kubingelela.
Sikhona ngwana njani?
Siyaphila. Futhi sila eLuna Cafe eCosmos City. Ungabanye babantu sibaziyo umculo waMaskandi by being the pioneers ekutheni umculo waMaskandi uhlangana namanye ama-genres, whether amapiano, whether noma yiphi enye genre. Ufila kanjani as umculo owaqala leyo nto leyo ukuthi ube khona la namhlanje?
Ifila proud, ngiyayiqhenya kakhulu ngalokho. Ngiyangijabulisa kakhulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke ezinye zezinto engangilethelwa zona emhlabeni ukuthi vele uMaskandi nguthuthukise nami ngifice lapha abawuthuthukisa khona abanye abafowethu nami ngithuthukise ngobeke la ngobeke khona. Sekunehholisi namhlanje ushaya ama-hit left right. uMaskandi vele nje uyabulala kulezi insuku, khona uMenzi, khona uLimit, khona onke encane. Angazi ngabala ngithini oSminoff yabo. So kuyangijabulisa kakhulu lokho njengomthandeni SK ukuthi indlela yami nobizo lwami ngisalandela ngendlela okuyiyo ukuthi singene ngempela sihlonishwe kweminye imikhakha, ingoma, ukucula, ukuswenka, ama-featuring ahlabahlosile njengo Paris featuring Lwandle Nkulu, Gushi featuring Mahu, Shepherd's Jazini featuring Nomcebo Zikode. So namhlanje kuvulelekile yonke igenre kaMaskandi iyahlonishwa kakhulu, nami ngiyajabula kakhulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi nje akukho kunye engakusho ngaphandle ukuthi ngiyabonga nesupport kubantu nakumvele nqanga ngoba abantu abavele bekuthande nje bakuthanda ngenxa yesizathu ukuthi wenzeni, abakuthanda ungenzanga lutho. Yeah.
Mfowethu une TV show uMaskandi iyevela lapha ku SABC1 kunenyanga sengalindela yini ukuthi phinde sibone umthandeni SK?
Yebo ikhona iyona nje le show iyona le ubona iyona le suvelile nje SABC1. Sharp.
Hayi kulungile mfowethu.
Sekoni ngisesilungile. Bafowethu sanibona ngazayo bafowethu njengoba ngiyaphila nganza kwethu namhlanje nginiphethele uplug nganza kwethu kwama-iPhone kanye nomahleli nganza kwethu kunamanamba engiwashiya omunye ubafo othengisa zonke into lezi esengiyibalile la njengamanje igama lakhe okuplug install okuyigama elinetsi lakhe ngena. Uma udinga iteki, uma ngabe udinga iPhone uzoxhumana naye nganza kwethu, amateki akhe ashibhile, ama-iPhone akhe futhi ashibhile. It is affordable nganza kwethu for ama-student especially.
Sinibingelela samukele. This is Online Magazine silana eLuna Cafe. This is Cosmos City. Ngimi lapha nendoda uTry More mfowethu. So on.
Bafiyaphila.
Saphila kunjani?
Yeah, I'm nice place.
Sikhona mfowethu. Sikhona. Mfowethu sila eLuna Cafe njengamanje Cosmos City. How are you feeling the vibe mhlambe, the experience of being here? Is it the first time ula or mhlambe usuke weza la before?
Ngiyaqala ukuza friend, ngiyayincanya futhi umoya engiubonayo apha ekusami ngiyakuncanya konke ngisakubonile online.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Mfowethu uTry More siyamazi kakhulu emculweni. Mina I think I've known you mhlambe for a bit not isikhathi esiningi mhlambe a bit maybe 1 or 2 years. Mhlambe masingasho umculo wakho mawenza ngubani ongathi mhlambe ube inspiration yakho to what you are wena as a musician?
Maneka but I think okay kube culi umalume uSjava, but it's a lot like everyone I've met and everything I've seen inspired what I am now. Yeah,
sure. Ngicabanga ukuthi futhi khona umsebenzi wakho ophumile. I'm not sure if it's a single or it's an EP. Singathini la?
EP. You know about it?
Ngeke ngakubona ukwenza i-radio interview ngayo udansisa ama-radio presenters laphana. Sure.
Like this one, I love that.
Sure. Sure.
EP ngicabanga igama live uSimpile.
uSimpile. Leya ngoma mfethu khona ingoma engeke ngayilalela kuyo. Ingoma yakho it sounds very I wouldn't say mhlambe spiritual, but then it sounds ngazathi you're not trying to look for a trend, but mhlambe you're looking for a soul of an individual. I-flow ehamba ngakhona ne-message ekuyo. Mhlambe ungangikhumbuza igama lakhona mawukuthi you know with a specific song. What was the idea behind writing leya ngoma leya mawuyibhala?
Which song?
Khona le ngoma lefethu ngawuthi wayiperforma ku radio interview. It sounds like it's a spiritual song. It's slow ingoma yakhona ngisekhumbula igama lakhona.
I don't know, I'm not too sure, but I think when I was a performer like live lapha, so it was like ingoma eningi.
Yeah.
Saqala I think ukuthi saqala ngesibani seza ngengezansi bakhusele and slow jam so sibani. Ingoma ekhona lezo EP so lezo bese perform. Yeah.
Umsebenzi wakho singakho.
Wokuqala. Yeah, ngasho ukuthi a project.
Yeah. Okay. No siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Mhlambe omunye umuntu okulandelayo engalindela ini kuwe kusukela manje mhlambe kuya phambili?
Kuzi deluxe ne album.
Deluxe album.
Yeah, this year.
sikuthola kuphi on social media ngifuna music wakho etc.
On social media I'll try more ibhele la kutholakala khona umculo I'll try more.
Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu ngicela sithi shout out online magazine.
Shout out online magazine bless. So bless.
Simbingelele sitamukele. This is the online magazine. We are always with superstars. Namhlanje we are having one of them. Mfowethu sekubingelele.
Yes, most definitely with the superstars. How's it, man? You good?
Siyaphila kunjani?
I'm good, thanks, man.
Mfowethu mhlawumbe ungakutshela ama viewers wethu namhlanje simi nobani kwenzakalani la esikole?
Most definitely, man. You with Snare Mbitana, singer, songwriter, radio host, but also an author as well. I have a new book. I'm here for music, Mzansi Music Festival, so it's about to go down, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mfowethu, since you are also in the music industry, mhlawumbe ungakusichazela ukuthi wena what goes behind the creation of music? What inspires you to create music?
Yeah, most definitely, man. I mean, when it comes to writing music, obviously it's the stories of people around me. It's the stories about me, obviously, because all this is all about driving through finding self. So then when we do it in a music form, normally I used to say as musicians, we are historians. So we store it as a music, as a melody. So yeah, that's what it's all about, man.
Mfowethu wenza into ehlukile kakhulu. You look so young, but then phethe incwadi sandleni sakho and you say it's your book. Kwenzakalani lapho? How are you being like how are you able to be so young and uthi unencwadi yakho wena like kwenzakalani lapho?
Yeah, man, most definitely. I think you know, quick like if I can put it that way. Yeah, this is my book, man, titled The Innocent Present Moment. Obviously inspired by my stories and also an understanding of how psychological times operate. You know, there's past, there's present, there's future. Sometimes we as people, we spend much more time thinking about what happened or what is it that we want to happen. But sometimes it's all about, I will cross that bridge when I reach into. But this moment is actually innocent. It hasn't done anything. So I am encouraging people to become present as much as they can be. Because the present moment, dude, is indeed innocent. It hasn't done anything. It can only be distracted or destroyed by what happened yesterday. If Beskabele last week is Kabel, so now should I destroy this innocent present moment that hasn't done anything? I mean, it's beautiful. I can use it to create and be productive. Yeah, that's what the book is all about, man.
So umuntu ofuna mhlawumbe ukuxhumana nawe unesu mhlawumbe getting the book or the music that you create wangathola kanjani?
Yeah, shout out, man, to the music online fans. They can get my book by simple WhatsApping 069 724 4217 069 724 4217. They can get my book. Thank you so much, man.
Are you on
Hola?
Are you on social media or anywhere? Mhlawumbe ukutholakala ngenamba kuphela.
Yeah, I'm on social media as well.
Or incwadi, can you show the book? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm on social media as well. It's Snare Mbitana. Even if you go on Google search and you search Snare Mbitana, you can get the book 069 724 4217. Thank you so much, man.
So any last words mhlawumbe for people who follow you and who have been supporting you so far mhlawumbe in all the things that you create?
Yeah, most definitely, man. I can encourage people to become present, bro. Whatever that happened yesterday happened. We can't change it. We can either learn from it, you know. But I think it's quite important to endure into the present moment and allow things to unfold the way they should, man. I mean, everything is preordained. Athi komnye umuntu xa ebeka ndithanda ngesixhosa ithi uThixo wakwazi usesesizalweni sikanyoko. So it is what it is, man. Danko.
So ngicela sithi nje online magazine then we close.
Online magazine, I'm Snare Mbitana. Shout out.
Khona umenzi, khona limit, khona onke encane.